Ayan guys, cleaner naman ako guys. Yung kalabaw ko guys, tanghaling tapat yan guys. Ayan, yung cleaner ko guys, yung kalabaw guys. Katapos na mag-spray, mag-cleaner naman guys. Ito talagang buhay guys, kahit na mainit guys, kayang-kaya namin guys, kasi ganitong trabaho namin guys. At saka ganito lang papel namin sa mundo. Sa amin walang mahirap-mahirap ito. Basta kaya ng katawan namin, kaya namin guys. Ito mainit. Ayan guys, ang init guys. Nakakatira ko guys. Ayan, nakalabaw ko yan guys. Kasama ko yung kalabaw ko guys na si Dieter. Oh, ito guys, puro palayan ito guys. Ayan, kahit na yung palayan ito guys. Yung nagpi-cleaner ko guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, minto na yung kalabaw guys. Yan guys, puro palayan yan dyan guys. Ang lawak yan guys. Tignan nyo guys. Ayan guys, maraming salamat.